If you want to prevent someone from reading your text messages on your iPhone, there are several methods you can use to enhance your privacy and secure your messages. Here's a detailed guide on how to stop someone from reading your text messages on your iPhone. Solution 1. Turn off message previews. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Tap on Messages from the list of apps. Under Alerts and Show Previews, select When Unlocked or Never to prevent message previews from appearing on your lock screen. Solution 2. Stop sharing message with other device from iMessage. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, find out Message Apps. Under iMessage section, tap Send and Receive. Select only phone number. If you have both the phone number and Apple ID, then uncheck the Apple ID and keep the phone number selected. Solution 3. Use a passcode or Face ID for message. Tap and hold the Message app. Tap Select Required Face ID. Tap Requires Face ID again. Now this will lock the message and no one will see the message unless you give them the access. By following these steps, you can effectively stop someone from reading your text messages on your iPhone and maintain your privacy. If you have any further questions or need assistance with a specific step, feel free to ask in the comments.